Hey viewers, Cooper's Automotive 2012 Ford Explorer. We gotta do a tune-up, the V6, so let's get to it. All right, first thing you're gonna have to do is take this rubbery like cover off of here. All right, goes in there like that. Little screw thing comes out of there. Little push tab on the other side, and just pull it up out of there. After you remove that, to get out the rear spark plugs, you're gonna have to pull the upper intake off of that. Now I just had my tools here, but they're not right here. Okay, I'll get set back up here again. I'm just going to use this Bosch. So I think this thing's so weak. Let's just see. And that one doesn't work either. Hang on a minute. All right, I'm back. Let's get this air filter out of the way. Or just the rubber stuff anyway. Push this over. Put a vacuum hose there. Oh, extra breather up there. There. Now that that's removed, let's go after that intake. Now, book time on this job was 1.6. We're going to find out if that's right, because that sucker ain't moving yet. Oh, there's one more back here. One more on the other side over there. Got a little wiring harness that is really stiff one too. Now it has a coolant line, it looks like, come across here, of course. Get out of that. Or you can take them out of the push-on grommets down there. Let's just unplug this. Let's see if we can unplug that too. If we can't, we'll go another route. This thing still is not moving, which tells me there is another couple bolts or something somewhere. Let's keep looking. Don't see it just yet. But I know it is there.